Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to record audio with your iPhone on the DJI Mic Mini. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their DJI Mic Mini. How do you actually go ahead and record audio? So first thing that you want to do is that your mobile phone or iPhone needs to have a Type-C input. So this right here is a Type-C input. So grab your Type-C adapter that comes with your DJI Mic Mini and make sure that the arrows align and then slide it through just like this. Now, once it's slid through, go ahead and plug this in securely inside of your iPhone. And then once the mic is plugged into your iPhone, you want to go ahead and into settings, then scroll down to where you see sounds and haptics. Then you're going to see this option called input. Click on input and make sure that DJI Mic Mini is selected. So this ensures that you're using the correct microphone. Additionally, you want to make sure that the solid green light on your transmitter and your receiver are both solid green. They shouldn't be blinking. If they're blinking, then go ahead and take both devices out, place it back into the charging box, and then remove them once again. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and record audio with your iPhone on the DJI Mic Mini. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.